MATLAB folder. Yes, you are able to see the output here. You know, white noise is a random noise. So you see the variation is random. The variation is not, you cannot exactly give a mathematical equation for this white noise. And from this white noise, you see it is varying from -4 to 4. From this white noise, I am filtering this band of frequency 1200 to 1800. And after filtering, you see this is my white noise. I am plotting time versus amplitude. Now I am plotting frequency versus amplitude after filtering. And this is my band limited noise. After filtering, this is the input signal. This is the coefficient of the spectrum of the input signal. See, it is having frequencies from -8000 to 8000 because the sampling frequency is 16,000. 16,000 is spread equally across positive and negative time. So -8000 to 8000, I'm going to have the frequency spectrum. And in this frequency spectrum, my frequency is going to be only this range, 1200 to 1800 only. And you see what is the output signal. This is the filtered signal, whatever I'm going to get. Okay, this is the filtered signal, band limited noise. So band limited means this white noise is having infinite bandwidth, but by restricting the white noise to this particular band limited bandwidth, I'm going to make it a band limited noise signal. Okay. Three diagrams are there. One is your input, one is your frequency response, one is going to be your output. Band limited noise signal. Okay. And you see now it is between, now the entire noise is between 0 to 1800 only. You are able to see on both sides 0 to 1800. So the entire complete noise after filtering, it is only in this available range from 0 to 1800 only. This is how live filtering is happening in MATLAB. So I'm not doing any magic. This is a random code. I have written this code using the MATLAB functions only. Simple thing, generate a white noise using random Gaussian integer, plot it. And then use an FIR filter, generate a function, and you see for what band you have to filter the noise. So here I have changed from 1200 to 1800. So if, for example, if you have doubts, we can change this 1800 to say 2500. We'll see whether we are getting the corresponding answer or not. So 2500 will be somewhere here. Are you able to understand? It is extending to, see, this is 2000, this is 4000, this should be 3000, this should be 2500. So it is existing from 0 to 2500 only. This is a simple example of MATLAB. So you can even, instead of having random signal, you can even give a sine wave and you can filter and see what is the output. That is also possible. And the last thing, I'm going to modulate this noise. So when I modulation, you know what is modulation? Modulation is done for long